Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 209 and 214. Yup. Here we go.
If your thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located or over overland, moving at 60 miles per hour.
This jackpot sucks. Here we go. Catch on fire. Oh, C's gonna activate. I'm looking right at it. There goes my power, folks. I lost power. Where was it? That was not bad, was it? I just lost power.
You lost power?
Yeah, I have a UPS on my laptop though, so that's all good. That's
Lost power
fine.
in the area. Just looking at a camera, I don't see any tornadoes.
Okay, it's back. I think, for the most part. My tripod just fucking fell. Hold up. Alright, my power's back. Alright. The storm, the tornado warning has become a PDS. Richmond Heights and Clayton just got hit by this storm. It is on the ground, as a matter of fact. There it is. There it is. The tornado is right there. It is over St. Louis City.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Clinton County, western Washington County, southeastern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, north central Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Red Bud, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Red Bud, Nashville, New Athens, Marissa, Oakville, Tilden, Lively Grove, Baldwin, New Design, St. Libory, Bartlesville, Prairie, Lensburg, Johannesburg, Hecker, Covington, Fayetteville, Bruma, and Eddyville. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 41 and 50. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for portions of south central and southwest Illinois. Tornado warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. for southern Madison and northern St. Clair counties in southwestern Illinois, northeastern St. Louis County, and the St. Louis City in east central Missouri. At 2:45 p.m., a confirmed and extremely dangerous tornado was located over St. Louis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include St. Louis, Florissant, University City, Granite City, O'Fallon, East St. Louis, Hazelwood, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Webster Groves, Ferguson, Fairview Heights, Overland, Clayton, Jennings, Glen Carbon, Bellefontaine Neighbors, Troy, Berkeley, and Richmond Heights. This includes the following state parks: Scott Joplin Historic Site and Horseshoe Lake State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Illinois near Exit 9. Interstate 55 in Illinois near Exit 23. Interstate 70 in Illinois near Exit 21. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch number 262 remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and the following counties: in Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions